Okay, let's just ignore the fact that I look like this right now, because I actually look disheveled. I slightly feel disheveled because we've had such a busy day so far. Me and Dan are currently in Paris. We planned a little weekend away. I'm so happy to be here. I actually forgot how much I love it here, and we've had such a good first day. We've done so many different things, seen so many different like sites, done a lot of touristy stuff. This is our room. So we've got the bed here, a really nice amount of space. There's a little like dressing table here as well, which is really cute. The thing that sold me on this hotel was this view. The doors fully open. We have our own kind of like little terrace area out here, which wraps around to the bathroom there. Honestly wish we were staying here for longer, because I genuinely think this is one of the nicest hotels I've ever stayed in. But yeah, it has been a busy first day. I thought I would start this vlog now because I'm gonna start getting ready soon to go to dinner. I've booked a place called, I want to say it's called Bambini for dinner, which I found on TikTok. I always love going on TikTok for like recommendations when I don't necessarily know the best places to go, because I don't know, I feel like it's been a bit hit and miss sometimes with the places that I've gone out to eat in Paris. So I'm hoping this restaurant will be really nice. It looked really nice from like the photos and the menu and stuff. I think it's actually an Italian. So, but I mean, at the end of the day, I feel like you can't go wrong with pizza and pasta. Yeah, it's gonna be a really fun evening. I've packed some outfits that I am absolutely obsessed with. I've only really got one dressy outfit, which is going to be tonight's outfit for like the dinner out, because we're staying in Disney tomorrow, like at a Disney hotel. So I've pretty much just got comfy clothes for the rest of the weekend otherwise. How would you rate your first day in Paris so far?
I would rate it a 9.2 out of 10.
Oh, it's gone up from a 9.
It's a 9.2. I've had a lovely day. I've done all of the sightseeing. I have done lots of walking. It's great that I've got my 10k steps in. It needs to be downgraded very slightly because my legs hurt and I have a blister on one of my toes.
Nice. Quickly wanted to show you my outfit before we go. So I can't really get a good angle, so this is gonna have to do. But I've got this skirt on here from Zara, and then this little top from PLT, which I've had for a while. I've got this in white and black, and so comfortable. It pairs really nicely with skirts. So I've just popped these together with my little sparkly heels, and yeah, this is the outfit of the night. Okay, so we just got our starters. We got arancini ragu, which is for Dan, and then I just got the truffle arancini as well. Got some white wine. It's really cute in here as well. You're extra cute.
Can I eat yet?
Yes, you can eat. Dan had his first arancini in New York with me, and ever since you have been a big fan of the arancini. I actually have a clip, I don't know if I put it in the vlog from New York. Oh no, I wouldn't have, because you weren't in that vlog. But Dan does this thing with his fork where he like, I don't even know how to explain it. You like prod the fork. It's that right there. Okay, we're back from dinner. I made a quick stop in the room because my feet are actually on fire. I love those heels so much, but I genuinely could not wear them any longer. I had a quick outfit change. I put on a little set from PLT and some trainers. Dinner was good. What did we give it? A 7 out of 10. You gave it a 6 out of 10. I gave it a 7 out of 10. I feel like the actual restaurant was really nice. Like, it was a really nice setup. The music was really nice. Yeah, it was good. I did like it. It wasn't the best truffle pasta I've ever had, but it was still good. Still a good truffle pasta. Sorry, I'm actually quite drunk. I'm also still really laughing at this bruise. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a very faint bruise on my lower lip, and it's from biting my gum on the other side, like on this side of my mouth. I'm not even going to show you the inside because it's absolutely horrendous, but it's still peeking through and it's still so sore. I've got an ulcer and everything forming now, so we're just gonna drink away the pain. But yeah, we're gonna go back down for some drinks because why not? Literally, why not? I feel like we've already started now, so we may as well continue. And because we're only staying here for one night, the bar downstairs actually looks really cute, so we're gonna go downstairs and have some more drink. I really like this set. It's kind of like a navy color. It looks black on camera. Not you sat on the edge of the bed like, come on, let's go.
Your belly button feels nice.
I'm gonna go down and have some more drinks, probably some more wine, because if there's one thing that I've learned about myself through my mid-20s, I can't mix alcohol. So we're sticking on the wine tonight. I've got Disneyland tomorrow and I don't really feel like walking around feeling like a piece of shit. Oh, also, I forgot it was Paris Fashion Week right now, and we just walked past the Shangri-La.
We just walked past Bella Hadid.
I wish we just walked past Bella Hadid.
And looked at me and said, "Oh my god, you're unreal."
You fucking wish. Yeah, we just walked past, is it the Shangri-La?
Yes.
It's like that really expensive hotel. I think there's a few. There's one in London. The one in Paris looks gorgeous. Like, I think the rooms have views of like the Eiffel Tower and stuff. But there was loads of people queuing outside and I don't know why. I need to know the gossip, so if anyone knows.
Why are you crying?
I don't know. Literally, I've just looked at the viewfinder and I'm like, I'm actually crying. Anyway, okay. Also, sorry, but this hotel, I know I won't shut up about it, but it is the cutest thing I've ever seen. So this is like right outside of our room. We have this really gorgeous staircase. Go on then, what are you getting? The light's flickering, that's really annoying.
Margarita sounds nice.
Do you like a margarita? But I've literally just said not to mix alcohol. Aloe vera.
Aloe vera, pineapple, man. It sounds health. It sounds like you're gonna wake up in the morning and feel great.
Oh yeah, because gin is definitely what does that. I'm sure gin is like the most depressing alcohol.
I do drink a lot of gin though. I'd say gin is my favourite alcohol.
Right, sorry. I might get a wine. It's now Sunday. We're currently packing up just to check out of this hotel because we're actually going to Disney today, which I'm so excited about. I've not actually been to Disney in a really long time and we've booked one of the Disney hotels. I think it's newly redecorated and rethemed into a Marvel hotel. We booked that for one night because it is quite expensive, I'm not gonna lie. I actually managed to find the cheapest night of the year when I booked this trip for that hotel, which is kind of why we've picked this weekend, because everything was just like a little bit cheaper than what it usually was for some reason. But yeah, I think it's the New York Marvel Hotel and it looks really cool, so I'm excited to go and see what that's like. And with Disney hotels you actually get tickets to the park both days, each side of your stay of the night. So we've got tickets to Disney today and we've got tickets tomorrow, and then we'll go home tomorrow evening. We've got quite a late flight tomorrow at like 10ish. But obviously it just gives us lots of time to use the parks and see everything. So we've had a little bit of like a chilled morning. We got up at about 9. Still too early. Listen, any kind of a lie-in is appreciated at this point because we pretty much get up at like 6 AM every single morning with Freddie at the minute. So anything past 6 I will happily take. Oh, we actually FaceTimed my mum last night because we were missing him so much. My mum sent pictures this morning actually of him out on a walk with Dad.
Oh, did she?
Yeah, it was really cute. But yeah, we've had a little bit of a chilled morning. We've just packed up, we're gonna check out, and I think we're just gonna find somewhere nearby for breakfast, and then yeah, we're gonna head to Disney. Just got dressed. This is my outfit for the day. There's nowhere really to like prop you up. I suppose I could put you there. Okay, so this is my outfit for today. I've got this sweater on from Zara. I did actually film a haul. I don't know if I will have posted it by the time this vlog is up, but I put this whole outfit in that haul. Jumper is Zara. I've got this really like loose oversized shirt on from Topshop on ASOS, and then my skirt is also Zara. This is the one that I got adjusted recently because it was a little bit big on the waist, and I love this skirt so much now. I'm so glad that I didn't return it and I just got it adjusted because yeah, I feel like it'll be a really nice staple for autumn winter. And then I've got my Chloe boots on, and I'm gonna do this bag from Primark, which is basically just a shoulder bag, but then it does also adjust to be a crossbody, which I thought was quite cute. You want to buy it?
I'll buy that, I'm not bothered.
Here we go, so it begins.
No, this is, honestly, I'm gonna end up spending so much money.
It's literally been torrential rain all day, so we're actually only just going into the park.
At
half past 5. 5:30, and we're only just going into the park. Thank God we have tickets for tomorrow as well, because I'm honestly not joking, it has chopped it down the whole day. The hotel is probably one of the coolest hotels I've ever stayed in. I'm gonna have to show you more later. My fringe looks like straw, but we're just gonna go with it now. Whoa.
Just waiting to be awakened. We all have the magic to unlock this inner child. But sometimes that inner child needs an invitation to come out and play. This is your invitation to dream.
Jeans.
I'm gonna wear them just for this morning and see if they...
Don't you look smart?
Thanks.
Oh my gosh, Dan's in jeans, that's brave. We're having a very early start this morning. It is, what time is it? It's currently 8:10. It is basically not even fully light outside yet. But we wanted to get up this morning and make the most of having the park and also the extra magic time that we've got, because I completely forgot about this when I booked this hotel, because I think I've only ever stayed in a Disney hotel like once. But when you stay at a Disney hotel, you actually get an extra hour to go into the parks before they're open to like other ticket holders. We're gonna go down this morning. We've got 8:30 till 9:30. I'm hoping it's gonna be kind of quiet anyway, because it's a Monday. I feel like it was quite busy yesterday, but it was the weekend. And yeah, we're just gonna go and have an explore. It was, I don't know, it was kind of funny yesterday. We had a really good day. But it literally hammered it down the majority of the day, so we didn't get out until about 5. And then as we did get out, every single ride or like attraction or thing that we went to see closed just as we got to it. I didn't vlog a whole lot yesterday. We didn't really do tons in the end. We got on a couple of rides at the main Disneyland park. We saw the fireworks as well, which is probably my favorite part of Disneyland. They actually have a couple more like shows at the nighttime as well now. So they had a special show with like the villains. I don't know if that's for the 30th anniversary. Sorry, oh my god, my brain cells are like not working this morning. Like the words are just not coming out. But yeah, they had a whole different light show, and then they had the drones as well, which was actually really cool. And then yeah, they had the normal like Disney illuminations as well, which is literally my favorite thing. I think it's like the music as well. I don't know, it just always makes me feel really warm inside. But yeah, we just got ready for the day. I'm pretty much wearing what I wore yesterday, except I put a slightly different top on. We did go to Starbucks yesterday as well. Some of you guys might know this. I think I have mentioned this in previous vlogs, but me and my family collect the Starbucks mugs that are like designed for each like different places. I think they're called the You Are Here mugs. I already had both of the Disneyland ones, but they've actually brought out a special 30-year anniversary Disneyland mug, and yeah, it's the cutest thing ever. I'll show you when I get back. I got 2 of them, one for me and one for mom. This is another thing that I always like to collect, is baubles. So we got some last year in New York. And then we've got some this year from Disney, so we'll have a different bauble every single year to put on our tree, which I feel like is really cute.
It's mad that they've got like PlayStation 5.
They actually do look like PlayStation 5s, don't they? I was thinking this, I was like, what does that shape remind me of? But yeah, this is our room. Sorry, it's now chaotic and messy, so I'm not even going to properly show you, but everything is obviously Marvel themed. So we've got this big print here with Spider-Man. This is what I'm wearing, so I've just got this top on and my brown cargos that I got adjusted with a claw clip. And then yeah, this is our view. So we've got a really nice view of like the lake outside. I'm pretty sure that's another hotel opposite. It's quite foggy outside today. And then you can usually see, I don't know if you can see like just there, that is like the Tower of Terror. but it's a little bit misty today. So yeah, we're gonna head down. I'll show you a little bit more of the hotel because the hotel is actually really cool. I'm very glad that I booked this one.
The shop's cool.
Yeah, it is. You were like very excited yesterday.
Yeah,
it made me very happy.
Today. I'm going to spend some serious euros today, a couple hundred just on like an Iron Man helmet.
Fucking hell, there we go. Oh no, it did actually make me really happy though. But yeah, are you ready? Made me happy seeing you happy.
Oh yes, I was very excited.
Well, we've had our brekkie and we're off. I think we're gonna do I don't know what's it called, Studios Park first. We didn't get to do like any of the Avengers stuff yesterday, or
the queue seems to be like the biggest for them as well.
Yeah, so I feel like they get, and you can't get fast tracks for those. Not that I think we'll need to get any, but like if we do today, they're not included in it, so I feel like we want to do those first.
Occupez toutes les places disponibles. On n'a plus beaucoup de temps.
Running systems check on locations worldwide. Hong Kong.
Come to lunch at Vapiano.
What the hell is that?
I've just looked at my hair like that. I've actually given up at this point. This is just what I look like.
No, it's when you go on a ride and like you don't realise that like the wind and the G-force or something make your hair go wild.
Yeah, Dan dragged me on the Tower of Terror.
They dragged you on?
Yes, she did. I did not want to go on that ride. Like, I do not like going on that ride.
Fun.
Any kind of ride that like drops and it makes your stomach go, it really causes me stress.
Nah, it was fun. I enjoyed it.
It was fun. The woman that was sat behind me literally grabbed onto my cork.
Oh, dearie me.
Yeah, it was funny.
It's been a good morning though, hasn't
Yeah, it's been a good morning. We were going to go and meet Spider-Man, but then I got shy. Decided not to.
Black Widow got pissed off that she didn't get an applause.
Yeah,
She was
to be fair, as she should. They really put everything into that.
It's
That is literally just a
burrata.
massive burrata.
Oh my god.
How good does that look?
That's unreal.
That actually looks so good. I got like the tomato pesto one with pine nuts, and then I added burrata to it, which my stomach will probably cry once I've eaten this because I cannot handle cheese or like lactose. But I couldn't resist.